no helmet. That's great news. That's great news.
More tummy time, and they sleep on their bellies in the day already, so just a little...
Yeah.
If you want Evie, she's pretty chill right now.
Oh, that's okay. We'll do both. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna swing around here. Where's he at? Where's Mom? Here we go. How about this? We're gonna come up. We're gonna come up. Ready? Okay. And we're gonna climb over here. Oh, sweet baby. There you go. You should see it. Oh, we lost it. We lost it. All right, that's one baby. Because I'm just gonna make sure you're doing good, right? Yeah. You look straighter. How do you think, Mom?
I think she does look straighter besides her head, but
Yeah.
PT starting Friday, and
Okay, good.
of course after I see you. So we go
Okay.
after.
We'll probably go down to once a week once she starts PT, because it'll be a lot for her. Okay. I'm gonna slide over. Yeah. Let's see. There you go. There we go. Okay. I know. This little hip. This little hip. This little hip. Good job. All set. Good job. Sleeping. Sleeping. She's just trying to find a comfortable spot. Hi. Good job. Ooh. Yeah. Where's your mom? Good job. Good job. Okay. I'm gonna wheel around. Sorry, Mom. I didn't even need your pinky. She's sleeping good too then?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hopefully, last night was the first night no feeds in the middle of the night.
Oh.
But I was up just way more wondering.
Yeah.
Oh my God. If I go back to sleep
Yeah.
now, she'd wake up.
Yay. Okay. Perfect. Evie's great.